So, hey guys, welcome back to my channel Cook with Neil. So as you know, there is a hectic season of summers and temperatures are rising like from 40 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius. So here I am with my most favorite three refreshing summer drinks that you all can have right in your homes quite easily, and it's quite available the ingredients in the market. So do enjoy the three ingredient my refreshments drinks, and do like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon for daily notification. So why wait, let's get started. So guys, the first drink is the Nimbu Pani, which is our all-time favorite in this really hectic summer season. So to make Nimbu Pani, so like take a ball like this, and then like squeeze the lemon over here, some lemon juice, just throw the seeds away from the corner, and then what you have to do, like after adding some lemon juice, you're gonna add like 2 pinches of black salt in it. Put 2 pinches of black salt, 1 pinch, 2 pinches of black salt, then then like a pinch of sugar in it, so that it balances the nature of it. And then just use a whisk over here and just mix them, the small ingredients, very nicely. Then what you have to do, take the whisk aside, then you have to put some chilled water in it. So I'm putting like 1 cup of chilled water in it. So I will mix it now again. So first we have to add the black salt in the earlier step also, and now again we have to put some black salt for the taste comes with the water also. So I put like a pinch of black salt in it, and now I will mix it nicely. Then again I have like squeezing some lemon inside, right? So again I have squeezed some the lemon, the big lemon actually. So now you can see that lemon water is all ready to be served, and now let us just bring it into a glass. So guys, so I have taken a glass like this. So this is like a mud pot glass. So now I'm going to transfer my lemon water into the glass. So guys, now you can see that I have put the lemon water into the jar. So now for some dressing, so now I'm gonna put like 2 cubes of ice. So I will be adding some 2 cubes of ice in it to make it a refreshing summer drink. And then again for some design, I'm gonna just put the lemon aside. So there you go, the first drink is ready to be served. Do enjoy. And now let's go on to the second drink. Guys, so the drink is, so that is my most favorite, which is the jaljeera. So here I am using the homemade jaljeera powder which I made. So in my next recipe video I will tell you guys how to make this homemade jaljeera powder. So for making jaljeera, of course you don't need the powder. So here I have like 2 cups of jaljeera powder. Then we have to add some salt in it, like the black salt. So because this is a chatpata drink, so I am adding more black salt in it. Then to maintain its taste and the balance, we are gonna like add some sugar and like a pinch of sugar you can add. Then we will be putting the soda in it, so we are not using the water. We will be using the water also, but now soda only we have to. So we have put the soda inside it, and after putting the soda we're gonna add like 1 cup, like 1 and a fourth cup of water, like this type of water, to maintain its taste and the balance. And then again take a whisk, mix the whole ingredient nicely onto the with the sugar, jaljeera powder and everything in its mix. So after mixing for some time, you have to again add some black salt, worth like a pinch of black salt in it, so that the chatpata flavor comes onto your jaljeera. So the second drink is ready, and now let me just pour it in the glass. Okay guys, so I totally forgot to tell you something, that then after mixing it nicely, we have to also put some lemon juice in it. So I'm adding the same lemon juice into the jaljeera powder. So after adding the lemon juice, I'm mixing it again. Now the second drink is ready, and now let me just pour it into the glasses. So guys, now you can see that I've again take this mud glass flavor, so that the flavor comes onto it. And here is my jaljeera, and now let me just pour my jaljeera onto the glasses. And now this amount of the spice is also there. So there you go guys. And then again I am taking another lemon and putting it onto it, and there you go, the second drink, the most refreshing drink, the jaljeera. So guys, the third drink is the most exciting drink. So we are gonna make masala thumbs up. I know it's a quite a bit like some of the interesting name, but it's just, trust me, it's quite delicious to eat. So now what you have to do, first I am putting some these ice cubes into it. So to make this, so you can see that I put the ice cubes onto the bowl first, and then after adding the ice cubes, we're gonna add our whole black salt in it, like 1 teaspoon of black salt in it. Just put the whole black salt in it. So now you can see that I have added my black salt in it. And now what you have to do, you have to take some chaat masala and then some of the roasted cumin powder, mix it, then mix them quite nicely, and then put it onto the batter, like of the chaat masala and then the roasted cumin powder. And after adding them, then I'm adding lemon juice. So this is a small lemon. Added lemon juice in it, and then I'm gonna add my Pepsi thumbs up in it. So remember to just add the soda gradually, because if you add the whole soda into the batter like in a one try only, it would like burst up in your mouth and it will create a good mess. So I'm adding the soda gradually. So I have put like 1 cup of soda in it, and after adding the soda we will mix the Pepsi with these ingredients. So there you go, my most interesting drink, which was the masala Pepsi, is also ready. And now let's just pour it into the glasses. Here is also ready. And now let's get on to the third and my most favorite summer drink. Now I'm gonna serve this onto the mud glass again. So the mud glass contains a nice flavor, so I'm adding. So there you go, the third and the most exciting drink, the masala Pepsi, is all ready, and do enjoy with your friends. So that was all the 3 summer refreshing summer drinks which you guys right now saw, and my most favorite drinks were the jaljeera and then the masala thumbs up. Like the masala thumbs up, it's quite like those spicy and those chatpata flavors, and you can try it in your homes. And bye guys, stay home, stay safe till then. We'll meet you guys in the next recipe video. Till then, bye.